Hi, and thanks for coming to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. Today I'm going to be making crispy air fried chicken in the Power Air Fry oven. Stay tuned. If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. I'm going to be using 6 pieces of chicken, 2 legs and 4 thighs, 2 cups of buttermilk, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup cornstarch, 2 cups corn flakes, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes, a tablespoon of salt, a half a tablespoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's optional if you want the heat. Well, I've already put the flour and the cornstarch in this Ziploc bag here. So I've got the chicken and the buttermilk sitting there. There's 6 pieces. I've got 2 legs and 4 thighs sitting in there. 2 without the skin, the other 2 with the skin. So I'm going to let this marinate for about a couple hours in the fridge. But before I do that, I want to season my flour, and I'm going to throw some seasoning there too. So I'm going to add some pepper in here, just so we get flavoring everywhere. Get the rest of it into the flour and cornstarch. Okay, add some salt in here too, and the rest goes in here. We got parsley flakes. I'm just going to get that into the flour. Got some onion powder. We're going to get some into the buttermilk, and the rest goes in there. Pretty simple recipe, comes together pretty quick. Get some garlic powder, put that in there. The rest goes in here. And if you want, you can use some cayenne pepper. If you want a little spicy, I want mine a little spicy, so I'm going to add some to the buttermilk, maybe about a 1/4 teaspoon all together, and a little bit in there. All right. So I'm going to seal this up. Give it a shake. Okay, make sure it's all incorporated. Okay, this here, I'm going to use a fork just to kind of turn it around in there, just to get everything kind of incorporated. Make sure all the chicken pieces are submerged. Okay, that way they all get nice and tenderized. The buttermilk will help tenderize it and flavor it. Now that we have it all set here, we're going to put this in the fridge. And as you can see, what I have here, this is the corn flakes and the cornmeal. Also, if you can, I don't know if you can tell from here, you can see that I've actually mixed in some bacon pieces, real bacon, by the way, in there, just to add a little bit more flavor and the crunch. It's going to come out fantastic here. So put that in, put that aside. We're going to get the chicken in the fridge to marinate, and I'll see you probably in a couple hours to show you how to assemble it all and get it into the Power Air Fry oven. All right, I've taken the chicken out of the refrigerator, and I've taken them out of the buttermilk here. Let them sit here for a little bit just to rest. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple pieces at a time. I'm going to take the leg here, and we're going to go into the cornstarch flour mixture here. Okay, I'm going to take 1 leg and 1 thigh, and we're going to make sure that they're all coated, nicely coated. I find using a bag just makes it that much easier. So just give it a nice shake. All right, so let's shake that off. Okay, so get it in here, here, and in there. Do the same with the leg. Shake it all off. Now you can see that it's starting to get a little clumpy already, which is good. That's going to give us the crispiness. Okay, get that in there, and get that in there. So I'm just going to grab some paper towels. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to close this up and give this a shake. Okay, you want to make sure like they get nice and coated. Pack it all down. Okay. Okay, so you got nice coating here. Now, this is perfect. I'm going to get it a little bit thicker than this, so I'm just going to put this aside for now. So this is really nice, but I'm going to go one more dunk. All right, so dunk it one more time into the buttermilk, and one more time in there. Same thing with this piece here. Just a quick dunk, just to get it moist, so this all sticks. Okay, close that up. Again, give it another shake. Okay, you can pack it in so it's nice and thick. Okay, open that up. And you want to make sure you get all the crevices, all the openings here. It's gonna give it a nice texture. You see how crispy that looks already. Okay, pack it all in. Okay, and put that on there. So you can see how crunchy this already looks. Just push it down on there so you get a nice coating. So I'm going to do the rest of these, get them on the racks, and we'll put them into the air fry oven. Okay, so before I put it into the power air fry oven, I'm going to give it a little spray with the cooking spray, just a light spray, just to make sure that the breading is all moist. Okay, I'm going to get this into the power air fry oven. All right, so I've got them in the oven here, so you can see all 6 pieces, these huge pieces here. They all fit. I've got this almost at the bottom, this one here, one from the top. So we're going to close this up, hit the setting for the chicken. That's 40 minutes at 370. And we're going to check it about a half hour in to see the temperature. And I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Okay, it just finished. It's been 35 minutes at 370 degrees. So we're going to take it out and test the temperature here. Okay, I've got my thermometer here. You can see it's 79. So I'm going to go into the thickest part here. We're looking for 165 degrees. It looks like we're there and actually above. So we're just going to let it sit for a few minutes to cool down a little bit. I'll get them on a plate and I'll show you what it looks like. You can see the crust on this. You can actually hear it. So it's pretty crispy. So what do you say we cut into it and see what it's like on the inside and see what it tastes like. All right, so I'm gonna cut into it here. And this is the boneless thigh that I had. So you can see it's definitely cooked all the way. You know, the crust, you can hear that crunch. So it's probably still pretty warm. Give it a taste here. Nice and crunchy. If you like your air fried chicken really crunchy, boy, this is the recipe for you. And you get a little bit of a hint of the bacon pieces that I put into the mix. Really good, really good. Nice flavor. Not oily, not greasy or anything. Definitely beats a fried version if you're looking to cut out that oil. But this is really good. That's really good. Now, give this a shot. So you'll definitely like this recipe. This is good, nice flavor, nice crunch. everything you want from a fried chicken without the deep frying. And the Power Air Fryer took care of that. Again, 370 degrees for about 30-35 minutes, or until it came up to about 165 degrees. Hope you like this video. If you do, give us some thumbs up. Go ahead and share it. Also, give us some comments. Let me know what you think of it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't in the globe here. You'll see some videos here that the YouTube places here for you. I'll have one of those videos there from my playlist. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you like what we do here on Your Everyday Joe, and I'll see you in the next video.